Problem number 4. For ratio and proportion, if 3 people can complete a task in 4 hours, how long will it take 5 people to complete the same task, assuming the rate of work remains constant? So, di ba kapag tayo ay nagpapatayo ng bahay, if the number of people na hina-hire natin, mas madali tapusin or mas madaling matapos yung ipinapagawa natin na bahay. Whereas kapag maliit lang yung people na hina-hire natin, mas tumatagal. Kagaya ng problem na 'to, since 3 people lang, mai-expect talaga na mas matagal talaga matapos yung task na ibinibigay. Kaya nagiging 4 hours. So ang tanong dito is, how long will it take 5 people? So ito ay nag-i-increase na ng tao. So we expect na yung value na maso-solve natin is less than sa 4 hours. Kasi dito na yung mag-o-occur yung inverse proportional. Kasi if pag sinabi nating inverse proportion, ito ay when one is increase, other is decrease. So dito, i-ratio lang natin yung 3 people at saka 5 people. So magiging 3/5 is equal so since we expect na less than talaga yung x, so gagawin natin itong numerator over 4 kasi kapag yung x natin is magiging denominator, i-increase yung time na masosolve natin. So since we expect na mas less man, so gawin nating numerator. So simplify it by 3 times 4 over 5. So magiging 12/5. So the value of x will be 2.4 hours. So ito na po yung answer for problem number 4. That's it.